None is an object used to define no value or nothing. Let's take one example. Var equal to none. Print of var. Print of type of var. Let's run it. See, the output is none. Type is none. Function without return. Functions assigned to a variable. When function does not have a return statement, the variable will get the value none. Let's take one example. Def space increment of a colon press enter. It automatically takes indentation a equal to a plus 1. Press enter. Press backspace in keyboard. A equal to 50. Result equal to increment of a. Print of result. Let's run it. See, the output is none. Function that returns nothing. When a function returns no value, the default value will be none. Now in this example, I am giving only return statement without a value here. Let's run it. See, the output is none. Now in this example, I am returning none. Let's run it. See, the output is none. Let's take another example. Result equal to print of within double quotes hi print of result. Let's run it. See, the output is hi none.